Let us start with the story, The Mice and the Elephants. So this is a story about elephants and mice as the name suggests. Let us start reading. A long time ago, there was a terrible earthquake. The earth shook so much that people ran out of their houses. So many years ago, there was a terrible earthquake. Earthquake is the shaking of earth, and terrible means very bad. So when this natural disaster came, people ran out of their houses. They went outside their house. In one small village, all the mud huts fell down. The villagers picked up whatever was left of their belongings. So because of this earthquake, their huts fell down, and whatever was left that was not damaged in their huts were taken by the people. They left the village and went to another village nearby. So they left that village and moved to the another village. Mice made their holes in the broken huts. So in the huts, the mice made holes and started living there. They began to live in the village. Soon there were hundreds and thousands of mice in the village. So after some time, there were thousands and hundreds of mice in the village. There was a big lake near the village. A herd of elephants visited the lake to drink the water and have a bath. This was fine for the elephants but not for the mice. So there was a big lake near the village. So herds of elephants, herds means group of elephants, came to drink and take a bath in the water. This was good for elephants but not for mice. The elephants walked through the village to reach the lake. They go through the village to reach the lake. The elephants' big heavy feet stepped on the mice. Many of the mice died and many were badly hurt. So because of elephants have big feet, so mice get trapped in that, and some of the mice were dead and some were hurt. This made the mice very sad. They decided to have a meeting. All the mice gathered together for the meeting. So because of many of the mice were dead and getting hurt, so they called for a meeting and gathered together. There were big mice and small mice, old mice and young mice. So there were every kind of mice in the group. There were hundreds and thousands of mice. One old mouse sat on a big rock. He was the leader. So the old mouse that sat on the big rock was the leader. Okay, they were here for a meeting. What are we going to do about these elephants? He said. So leader said that what we will do about these elephants. Let's run away from here, said one mouse. Yes, let's run away, said one group of the mouse. So one mouse said that let's run, then other agreed to them. No, said another group. Then second group said no. This is our home now. We can't run away. No, we must not run away, said a big fat mouse. The fields are nearby. We have lot of food here. So as a field was near the village, so they have lots of food to eat. So some of the mice were not ready to leave this village. But what are we going to do about the elephants? Said the leader. So leader said that what now we should do? Let's go and meet the king of elephants, squeaked one tiny mouse. So one of the tiny mouse shouted and said that let's go and meet the king of the elephants. That's a good idea, said the leader. We must not waste time. We must go right now. So leader said yes, that's a great idea. We can go and we should not waste time and go quickly. All the mouse quickly went to meet the elephants. They reached the place where the king of the elephants lived. It was frightening. So where all the group of the elephants lived, so all the mice went there to have a meeting with them. There were so many elephants there, but the leader was brave. So there are many elephants, but the leader was brave. He squeaked as loudly as he could, "Your Majesty, please help us." So the leader of the mouse said that please help us, Majesty. Majesty means king. We live in the old village not far from here. When a herd of elephants walks through our village, they step on many mice. Many mice have died and many of them have got hurt. Please use some other way to go to the lake. Please help us. Someday we will help you. So the leader of the mice said that please can you change the route for going lake. जिस lake से वो जाते हैं, route से जाते हैं lake तक, please आप वो change करिए. The leader of the mice said this to the king of the elephant. You tiny mice are going to help us. The leader of the mice also said that we will help you when you need us. So the elephant replied that how can you help us? The king of the elephant replied this by laughing. That is very funny. How can tiny mice help big giants? Anyway, I am in a good mood today. We will use another route to go to the lake. So the king of the elephant agreed to the idea and said that you cannot help us because you are very small. But the king was in a good mood, so he agreed to change the route. Thank you, sir, said the mice. We will not forget our promise. So the leader of the mice said that thank you, sir, for doing this. After some time, the king of the country decided that he wanted more elephants for his army. He sent his soldier to the jungle to capture more elephants. The soldier threw a huge, strong, thick net that covered the herd of elephants. The elephants tried hard to come out of the net, but they could not get free. So, after the mice promised that we will remember your this help, then after that the king of the village decided that they need more elephants for help. So they gave the order to the soldiers to capture the elephants. So soldiers threw a big net, like they threw this big net. It was thick and strong. So the herd of the elephants were not able to come out of this. The king of the elephants trumpeted loudly. Trumpeted means it is the sound of the elephant. All the elephants trumpeted loudly. The mice heard them. Come, said the leader of the mice. I think the elephants need us. The time has come to keep our promise. So all the mice heard this sound, and so the leader said that let's go and see that what help elephants need. It is the time to keep our promise, that is to fulfill the promise. Hundreds and thousands of mice rushed to the herd of the elephants. We are here, said the head mouse. We are here to help you. So leader said that we are here to help you. The whole night, hundreds and thousands of mice nibbled and chewed at the huge, strong, thick net. By morning, the net was full of big holes. The elephants were able to walk out of the net. So these thousands and hundreds of mice nibbled and chewed at the huge, strong, thick net. So they all ate this net, so that the elephants become free and can move out. Thank you so much, trumpeted the elephants. So Trumpeted thanked all the mice very nicely because they have saved them. You are most welcome, squeaked the mice. So mice said that you are welcome. Even a small creature can help a very big animal. So see, mice is such a small and elephants are such big, but the small mice helped this big creature. This is the moral of the story, that a small animal can also help the big elephants.